Good morning, students. Welcome to English language class. In the previous class, I had explained you adjectives. We had also completed the exercise of this chapter. Today, we will do revision. Chapter 6 Adjectives. Read these sentences. I have 10 apples. All the apples are sweet and crunchy. Some of the apples are green, but they are tasty. In the examples above, the words 10, sweet, crunchy, green and tasty all give us informations about the noun apples. Words that describe or qualify nouns are called adjectives. Dear students, an adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. It describes or modifies a noun. Adjectives describe or modify nouns and pronouns by providing specific details about their kind, color, quality, or quantity. An adjective often comes before a noun. A green car. Here car is noun because the name of thing, and green, that is the color, is adjective because it is telling the color of the car, or we can say it is describing the car. A dark sky. A tall boy. Tall is adjective. Here dark is adjective. Sometimes an adjective comes after a verb. My car is green. The sky became dark. His story seemed interesting. Here became is verb and dark is adjective. Adjective can also modify pronouns. She is beautiful. Those are not expensive. I thought it seemed strange. Here I is pronoun and it is describing the pronoun. So strange is adjective. Note that we can often use two or more adjectives together. A beautiful young French lady. Here lady is noun and beautiful young and French are adjectives. Here three adjectives coming together. It is black and white. Here black and white, there are two adjectives used in this sentence. Adjectives are information gatherer. When it comes to functions, adjectives are information gatherer. Specifically, they provide further information about an object's size, shape, age, color, origin, or material. Here are some examples of adjective in action. It's a big table. That is showing the size of the table, that is big. So big is adjective. It's a round table, showing the shape of the table, that is round. It's an old table, showing the age of the table. So old is an adjective which is describing the table. It's a brown table. It's an English table. It's a wooden table, showing the material of the table. So wooden is adjective. It's a lovely table. It's a broken table. It's a coffee table. Adjective answers questions. Adjectives serve another important role. They answer questions like which one, how many, what kind, and how much. You can see how they do this work in the following examples. Which cat did you see? It was the grey cat. How many cars were in the parking lot? There were few cars. What kind of coffee do you like? I like black coffee. I have some rice for dinner. How much? Some. So some is adjective which is telling how much rice. Possessive adjectives. Words such as my, your, his, her, their, its and our are used before nouns to show ownership or possession. Such words are called possessive adjective. Example, this is my car. Whose car? My. So my is possessive adjective showing the possession of the car. That is your box. So your is possessive adjective. Dear students, don't confuse possessive adjective with possessive pronouns. Possessive adjectives are used before nouns and do the work of adjectives. A possessive pronoun does show ownership, but it does not come before a noun. It stands alone. It can also be used to replace a noun. So we can say that a possessive pronouns replace nouns and are never used before a noun. Example, this car is mine. So mine is possessive pronoun coming after the noun, that is the car. That box is yours. So yours is possessive pronoun. Dear students, in every language, adjectives are important elements of sentences. Using adjective means that we can express the quality of any person or object. Without adjectives, we could not say how any object looks like. Dear students, adjective give the reader more specific informations about an object's color, size, shape, material, and more. In short, we can say that adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, that is, noun or pronoun, making your writing and speaking much more specific and a whole lot more interesting. Dear students, today we have done revision of adjective and possessive adjective. So please revise the exercise of this chapter and revise the definition of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.